Hey, had your meal? But did you check the time? Oh, it's so late and you're still having meals. Wait, I'm going to tell you what are the ideal times to have your meals. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you are new to the channel, remember to hit the bell icon and subscribe because here you are going to get videos on all the topics related to diet, health and nutrition and good lifestyle. Of course, you will have many more delicious recipes videos to check out also. So let's get started. You should have your breakfast between 7 to 8 a.m. in the morning. So this should be ideally after 30 minutes of getting up. If you cannot have anything after 30 minutes of getting up, just try to have warm water and some soaked nuts. And then you can go in for a full breakfast. Remember, breakfast needs to be completed before 10 a.m. in the morning. Make sure your breakfast is full of proteins and natural fibers and very less sugar and carbohydrates. Now, what is the ideal time for lunch? Lunch should be between 12 o'clock to 2 p.m. in the afternoon. Your lunch should be a complete balanced meal. It should have fiber in the form of vegetables and fruits, proteins in the form of lentils, paneer or some non-veg, and of course, carbohydrates but in limited quantities in the form of rice, roti or pasta or noodles or any kind of breads. Now let's talk about dinner. Dinner should be completed between 7 to 9 p.m. in the evening. Remember, you should have your dinner at least 2 hours before the bedtime. So make sure that dinner is a light meal which has got more of proteins and fiber and of course very less of carbohydrates. You can have soups or khichdi or some curry or a big bowl of salad, and that should be your dinner. Avoid heavy meals in the night and remember to sleep on time. Make sure you are having adequate water in the form of 7 to 8 glasses per day. Remember to be stress free. So this should be your meal timings, and see what happens when you follow these. You will have positive changes in your health. You will feel very light and it will help you in managing your weight also and keep away from lifestyle diseases. So what are you waiting for? Check your meal timings. If you like the video, share it with all your friends, save it for later, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Come back for many more videos. Thank you for watching.